Hello, my children. Once again, I'm back with a new letter. And you know which letter is this? Today's letter is H. So, in your English alphabet book, open page number 41 and 42. But before start writing, we will see the sound and vocabularies of this letter. So, let's go to the classroom. In the classroom, teacher asked Hallie, Hallie, can you tell me few words which start with the letter H? Hallie was quiet. She was thinking. Teacher said, Hallie, just look at your body parts. You will find so many words. Hallie said, yes, ma'am, I have a small head. And on my head I have beautiful hair. I have two little hands and a beautiful heart. I have heel on my leg also. And ma'am, my name Hallie also start with the letter H. So, these are the words which start with the letter H. Ma'am said, good try, Hallie. Now, I have a quiz for you. Look at these pictures, and from these pictures, you have to find out the objects which start with the letter H. This is your task of the day. Children, now after vocabularies, we will write on page number 41. So take out your pencil and eraser. Let's start writing. Children, before start writing letter H, we will revise our previous letter, and it was letter U. Letter U we are writing in 3 steps. In first step, we will make slanting line in middle to blue lines. In second step, we will make a up curve, right? And in third step, from this curve, make a standing line, come down and take a turn. This is letter U. See. Like this you have to write this letter, and after this we are going to write letter H. Letter H also we will write in 3 steps and in 3 lines. Start from the bottom blue line and touch the upper red line. Okay, so start with the blue line. In first step, make a slanting line, and in second step, from this slanting line, make a loop and straight come down. And in third step, we will make a down curve and small tail. This is letter H. Once again I am writing. Make a slanting line, make a loop from here, come down straight and make a down curve, then make a small tail. In 3 lines we will write this letter. Today we learn a new letter H. In the same way, you have to complete your work till page number 42. This is all for today. See you soon. Bye-bye.